The date today is 17-3-2020. Our lesson today is about something is called fact families. What are fact families? Or what is fact family? A fact family is a set of related facts. I want you to know first, set means a group, and the facts means numbers. So, a fact family is a group of related numbers or a set of related facts. Okay. I wanted you to know a story before we go to numbers or we talk about numbers. The story, if you have a family of a mother and two children, okay? The bigger number is the mother, okay? And the smaller numbers or the smaller two numbers, they are their children, okay? For example, if we have 14 and 6 and 8. The bigger number is 14, so it is the mother. And 6, child number 1, and 8, child number 2. And they are related family, like you are related to your father and mother, okay? Let's see. If we made some addition with them, if you have 6 plus 8, you will get 14. And if we changed 8 with 6 or replaced 8 with 6, you will get 8 plus 6, you will get also 14. What did you notice about that? We noticed that the smaller numbers or the two children gives you the mother. Even you changed their places, okay? Here 6 comes first, here 8 comes first. And also you get the mother, okay? And I want you to know also the bigger number comes after equal, okay? The bigger number or the mother of them comes after equal. Let's make some subtraction problems. 14 minus 8 equals 6. And 14 minus 6 equals 8. What did you notice about that? I noticed that the bigger number comes before the sign minus. Also, here, the bigger number comes before the sign minus. Always the bigger number comes before the sign minus. And if you have a mother and one child, you can get the other child. If you have a mother and only one child, you can get the other child. And the final note, numbers doesn't change. They are family. You will not have any number other than 6 and 8 and 14. You will use only 6 and 8 and 14. And that's it. That it is called fact families. We will talk about another family. A family of 12. So the mother 12. And 12 has... Okay. Sorry, we will... tell you this story again, okay? If you have a number 12, so 12 is the bigger number or the mother and has two children, 4 and 8, okay? I have 12, has two children, 4 and 8. So 4 child number 1 and 8 child number 2, and they are a family. Okay, let's make some addition. 4 plus 8 equals 12. and you change the places, or change 8 with 4. Here, 8 plus 4 equals also 12. For the second time, what did you notice? I noticed that the two child give you the mother. The two smaller numbers give you the bigger numbers. Even you change the places of them, okay? The two smaller numbers give you the bigger number, okay? And always the bigger numbers comes after equal. The sign equal, the bigger numbers comes after the sign equal, okay? Let's make some subtraction. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 12 minus 4 equals 8, okay? What did you notice here? I noticed that the bigger number comes before the sign minus. The bigger number comes before the sign minus, or the mother comes before the sign minus. And from a mother and one child, you can get the other child. And if you have the mother and one child, you can get the other child. I mean, if you have the bigger number and one smaller number, you can get the second smaller number. And that's it. Now, open your school book, page 64, and write the date 17-3-2020. And write the numbers I did here. And also open page number 65 and write the date 17-3-2020. Okay? Write the numbers like I did 4 at the top of the house. Okay? Write the numbers. The first number, or the first family we will talk about, is 16 and 9 and 7. Okay? If we have 9 plus 7, 2 children, you get the mother of them, 16. Okay? And if you have the 2 children also, but you change their places, 7 and 9, you get also 16. And remember, the bigger number or the mother always comes before the sign minus. So I get the bigger number here. 16 minus 9. You will get, you have the mother and 1 children. Okay? I have 16 and 9. So the other children is 7. Okay? Here, you have 16. The bigger number always comes before the sign minus. Okay? 16 minus 7. I have 16 and 7. A mother and 1 child. So you get the other child. The other child is 9. Okay? Now I solved 1 question. You solve the other 3 questions by yourself. But first write the number. Write 19 and 5 and 14. And here write 20 and 5 and 15. Here write 18, 8, 10. And do it the same way I did here. Open your booklet, page number 29. We will solve the first question. But first, write the date 17-3-2020. Okay? I have the fact families. Don't forget that when we start by addition, or if there is plus here, we take the 2 children first. Child number 1 is 5. Child number 2 is 7. So 5 plus 7, you have 2 children, you get the mother, 12. You change the place of the 2 children, okay? So 7 comes first, then 5, okay? You have also 5 and 7, you get 12. The mother is 12. But here, if there is minus, you start by the mother, or the bigger number. The bigger number is 12. So 12 minus 7 first equals 5. And you start also here by the bigger number or the mother. 12 minus 5 equals 7. You have a mother and a child, you get the other child. You have here 12 and 5, you get 7. You have 12 and 7, you get 5. Okay? And here you will solve them by yourself, but I will write the numbers. Here 16 and 7, and the other children is 9. Here you draw, the mother is 12 and the child number 1 is 9, the child number 2 is 3. Okay? You can solve them by yourself the same way we did at the first one.